Hello, welcome to NoCodeNerd, episode 29. We're talking about Coolors today. Not as much a no-code tool as much it is as kind of like a business tool that I use very actively on my live stream. Coolors is like just a super wonderful little color scheme generator. Let me check it out. By the way, Fabrizio, I'm tagging you on Twitter. What's up? How's it going? Good to meet you. And probably on Instagram too, because I'm going to make a reel of this. How's it going? Would love to work together somehow, or if I can help promote the cool things that you build, would love to work together. I think your shit is super cool. This is Coolors. Basically, start the generator. If I need a color scheme for anything new that I'm building, usually I use this. So I'll pull this up, I click plus, gives me a new color scheme. Click plus, give me a new color scheme. If I want something like smooth and pastelish like this, I feel like this is pastel, I'm not sure. Anything like this, that I'm building for a new product, right? Maybe I need a new website scheme, or I'm building something new and smooth and nice. I just go to Coolors. I click plus a few times until I click the spacebar a few times until I find something I like, and then I run with it. And I use those colors in my scheme, and I build a really nice website, or a really nice app, or a really nice what the heck ever else. So if you're starting something new, you want a sweet little color scheme to go along with it, check out Coolors. I'll see you in the next episode.